Neatly presented 3-bedroom home with a stunning deck located in a quiet pocket of Ingleburn within walking distance to station, shops and all amenities.
Yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me.
North-facing backyard with massive frontages on Macquarie and Carlisle Street, R4 zone. This would suit an investor or a homeowner alike.
Nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching. I said,